What causes watery discharge after ovulation?
Hey there, welcome to today's video. Today, we'll be discussing a common question that many people have. What is the cause of watery discharge after ovulation? Ovulation is an essential part of the menstrual cycle, and changes in vaginal discharge can often occur during this time. So, let's dive right in and explore the reasons behind this watery discharge.
What is ovulation?
To understand the cause of watery discharge after ovulation, it's important to know what ovulation is. Ovulation is the release of a mature egg from the ovary, which usually happens around the middle of a woman's menstrual cycle. This is the most fertile period, and the egg is ready to be fertilized by sperm.
Hormonal changes.
During ovulation, there are significant hormonal changes happening in a woman's body. One of the key hormones involved is estrogen. Estrogen levels rise leading up to ovulation, causing the cervix to produce more cervical mucus. This mucus serves to create a favorable environment for sperm, helping them survive and reach the egg.
Characteristics of cervical mucus.
The cervical mucus goes through changes during different stages of the menstrual cycle. After menstruation, the cervical mucus is usually scarce and thick, acting as a barrier to sperm. However, as ovulation approaches, the mucus becomes clear, slippery, and stretchy, resembling the consistency of raw egg whites. This change is often referred to as egg white cervical mucus, or EWCM.
Watery discharge after ovulation.
After ovulation occurs, there can be a shift in the type of cervical mucus. The mucus may become more watery and less stretchy compared to the EWCM experienced during ovulation. This watery discharge is still considered normal and can continue for a few days after ovulation.
Reasons for watery discharge.
The watery discharge after ovulation serves multiple purposes. Firstly, it helps facilitate the movement of sperm through the cervix and into the reproductive tract. Secondly, it helps maintain a healthy vaginal environment by flushing out bacteria and preventing infections. Lastly, it prepares the uterus for potential implantation of a fertilized egg.
Other factors.
While watery discharge is typically a normal occurrence after ovulation, there are a few other factors that can contribute to changes in vaginal discharge. These factors include sexual arousal, hormonal birth control, and certain infections. If you experience any unusual or persistent changes in discharge, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional for further evaluation. And that's a wrap for today's video. We've explored the cause of watery discharge after ovulation, which is primarily due to hormonal changes and the shift in cervical mucus consistency. Remember that ovulation is a natural and important part of the menstrual cycle, and changes in vaginal discharge during this time are usually normal. If you have any concerns or questions, it's best to consult with a healthcare professional who can provide personalized advice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.